Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open PowerShell as administrator and prepare to run a single command. Run WSL install to enable WSL and install a Linux distro automatically. The installer configures WSL2 as the default backend and typically installs Ubuntu on 64-bit Windows 11. Reboot when prompted by the installer to complete kernel setup. After reboot, open PowerShell and run WSL update to fetch the latest Linux kernel. This single command approach is the only supported method for new Windows 11 setups. Launch your newly installed distro from the Start menu and complete initial setup. Create a Linux user account and set a secure password for daily use. Confirm WSL2 by running WSL set default version 2 to ensure full compatibility and file system performance. Inside the distro, run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to fetch and install all security updates. Install essential tools such as Build Essential, curl, and Git with the package manager. Use WSL LV to list installed distros and verify their WSL versions. Access your Windows drives from Linux at /mnt/c and edit files with care to avoid permissions issues. Use Windows Terminal or the distro shell for daily workflows and prefer Windows apps designed for WSL integration. Open projects in VS Code with the remote WSL extension to edit files directly inside the Linux environment. Backup distributions with WSL export, Ubuntu Backup. tar to create a portable archive file. Keep WSL updated by running WSL update regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.